Da, ydyn arth y dolen nifer naw. That's onan, daw, tri, peswar, pimp, wech, saith, eth, naw. Welcome. Fatlagenis, dalor. The other day, I went up to Essa. That's Saltash in English. Maes, if Essa Coletter Cavas and Train Tre. But there was a problem getting the train home. Here's what happened. Tamm Alex, a pit are you?
What again is? Well, min Susan also can have.
Gavin, pit are you?
Negorio.
Muraz,
O kamosta?
dalor, pit are you? Uner, doer, terror, pederer, pimper, wecher, sether, ether, nawer, degger, hag, uniker. Did you notice the feminine numbers? We need those for telling the time. So, piteri, unikeri.
Into uniker. Pimpmanism was uniker.
Alex.
Dithasti, Fatlagenis.
Here the Maraz, hatu, Fatlagenis.
Dalor Maraz. Pitter and Nessa Trend the Benzans.
Down there.
Oh, Ninja's better damning. Granny Mawson Ponds?
Granny Moors to Stoke.
Stop.
Immediately.
Degmanism was at Unikeru Lemon.
Piteri.
Oh, quarter was at Unikeru.
Muraz sauce. Piteri.
Oh, Evansmanism was at Unikeru.
Muraz. Door Tamari, Brass.
We're Braz Haledini.
Piteri.
Oh, Pimp Bar Evansmanism was at Unikeru.
De Hueles?
Tampella?
Are they water paranoid? No.
Well, and to ma, in my penle, Essa, Hakarat Rune. Hagen to ma, in my South Hams, Plymouth, Hag Ivy Bridge.
Dalor. Mes Piteri.
Oh, Hunter was at Unikeru.
Muraz. De Hueles?
Tampella? Pub charter in Luca for leather was Glan Est and Tamar Daleth Posos. Well, all the Dutchy charters say that the east bank of the Tamar is the start of England.
Piteri.
Oh, Pimpwar Nugans Manism the Thowdekuru.
Muraz. Pimpornugans Medicine de Thou the Care. De Hueles?
Dalor, Granuponia?
Piteri.
Ugans Manism the Thowdekuru.
Muraz, Alex. Piteri.
Quarter of the Thowdekuru. Decanism the Thowdekuru.
Muraz. Piteri.
Pimpmanism the Thowdekuru. Peter and Tren.
Thou the Care. Paran.
Paran?
Paran, exactly.
Dalor.
Piteri Lemon?
Thowdekuru Paranu Lemon. Tom and Tren. Degenesty.
Duke Alex. Muraz. pretty breakneck tour of the Tamm Bridge, but telling the time in Cornish is dead easy. It's mostly the same numbers as we used in the rugby game, but with some slightly different ones because meaning o'clock, is feminine. Here's a recap. Una, Dua, Terra, Pedera, Pimper, Wecher, Sather, Ether, Nauer, Dagger, Uniker, Adowthiker. And here's another recap about how to tell the minutes past and to the hour. Pimpmanism waza, Degmanism waza, Quarter waza, Hugansmanism waza, Pimpwarnugansmanism waza, Hanter waza, Pimpwarnugansmanism the, Ugansmanism the, Quarter the, Degmanism the, Pimpmanism the. The Tammar's a lot bigger at the Salt Ash end than you'd think, as I found out thanks to my friend Alex. And as well as being a geographical boundary, it's also a perfect linguistic boundary, with English place names to the east and Cornish place names to the west. Anyway, join me in December for Tamm Kernewek, a bit more Cornish, when we'll be having a family Christmas. Dugenes, bis the Nesatrol, Dugenekwi.